Okay, let's go over here real quick. Hey man, let's go ahead and get you out of this car real quick. Can you just keep an eye on him real fast? Can you step out of the vehicle for me? I just want you to step out of the vehicle for me.
No, I cannot,
please,
sir.
No, step out, please. Listen, step out. We just need you to step out of the vehicle for right now. I'm asking you, we're telling you. Okay, step out.
Why are you telling me? Hold on.
Let's go ahead and just get... Help me set her up.
You're picking her up.
Ma'am, lean against the car. Just pull her legs out in front of her.
Oh, they're trying to help her.
Okay, here. You got her?
You're not helping anything.
Do me a favor. Let's go step over here real quick.
All right,
No worries. Cool. Let's go over here. Let's chat.
I want to chat. Oh, man, I'm
You
good.
can have a seat.
Stand up.
Oh, I had to pee. I had to pee. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh,
Try to relax. You gotta sit up so you can breathe. Go on. You gotta relax. We're here to help you. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Do you know what happened?
No, I just came out here
Have you been seeing her drinking alcohol all day long? How do you know she's intoxicated?
because I can just tell the way she's acting.
What about her makes you think she's drunk?
Just do a breathalyzer.
Dude, she's not chatting with us at all.
Do a breathalyzer, please. You'll see she's just drunk.
What hurts?
Like on the side.
We tried to. And you think just because of her appearance now, you believe she's intoxicated, but you have not seen her drinking any alcohol.
I know she is.
How so?
Do a breathalyzer, please.
Have you seen her drinking alcohol? Though?
No.
Hey, we can sit you up. Molly, we can sit you up, but you gotta relax, okay? Stop dicking around. I got
Okay. How can we help Molly? Is Molly on drugs or is she drunk?
No, she's not.
Is she drunk?
I don't know. She's,
What's going on? How did
I'm not there. I'm not drunk. No, I ain't drunk.
Did you find her in this state?
I'm not with the girl. I'm not with her.
You
I'm still with
what?
her.
You what?
Yeah.
The kids told you mom
Kids,
crashed.
you talk to them now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Told me that.
He told you mom crashed?
Yeah.
And where did you find her? Right here?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Just like when we
right
rolled
there in the
up?
car. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So we got called here because
I'm just gonna make sure that you cannot got anything obviously broken, okay? Hey, so I talked to Burr. He said that the kids told him that the car crashed. Did you see a crash or what happened?
That's what they told me.
They did? Can they come out here and chat?
Please.
Did you see mom crash or something? What did you see?
I saw her hit another car and she crashed into that bush.
Crashed into the bush? Were you with her in the car when she crashed?
And she crashed into the bush.
Okay.
But we got out the car when she crashed.
That's pretty
I
upsetting.
want to be with my kids. I don't want to be with this. I don't want to be with people who women.
Hey, go get in the car with your mom. And your mom's like, yep, let's
No,
roll.
like when we were like next to the car,
Okay.
Bert says, get in.
Okay. So
And
then your
then,
mom drives with the two of you in the car to the entrance to the complex, correct? And your mom says something, or I'm sorry, she crashes into the bush, and then she stops and says she's scared. So then the two. Okay.
From us. He's like, and then mom starts praying. She's like, hold on, I'm praying right now. And then Bird, still asking for help. He asked me to go outside and go grab her. I didn't want her to hurt my arms, so I tried.
Then we're gonna send the lap belt across over there. Okay. kids. I already got the story. I just need these kids' names, and then we're good.
As far as I know, you're free to leave. Not in this car, though.
No. Oh, man, yeah. Let's go.
Yikes. So kiddos were in the car when she tried driving away.
Yeah, so we got DUI, reckless endangerment times 2.
Yeah, I don't care. Please
Okay.
let me go.
Well, you're gonna go to jail.
I don't care. Please
Okay.
let me go.
Well, I need your cooperation.
Scary.
Okay?
I don't trust
Okay.
this, please.
We're gonna bring a bed out.
Please
No one's
don't
hurting
let
you.
me go.
You're in a very restrained system. No one's hurting you in any way
I don't
possible.
trust that. I don't care.
The woman was charged with DUI, 2 counts of reckless endangerment, and criminal damage to property.